If you are looking for the most advanced cordless vacuum cleaner, the Dyson V15 Detect is a game changer. With a laser dust detection, powerful suction, and intelligent sensors, it takes cleaning to the next level. In this video, we will unbox, review, and show you how it works. Let's dive in. If you want the smartest and the most powerful Dyson vacuum with laser precision and real-time dust detection, the V15 Detect is the ultimate choice. You can compare all the lineup of Dyson vacuum in this chart. The Dyson V15 Detect is one of the most advanced cordless vacuum cleaners packed with smart technology for superior cleaning. Here what makes it stand out. Some of the key features such as laser dust detection. A built-in laser illuminates microscopic dust, making hidden dirt visible on hard floors. Then you have sensors and intelligent suction. You can adjust suction power in real time based on the detected dust level. You have got a powerful suction. Dyson hydrodynamic motor spins at 125,000 RPM, delivering 230 watt of suction power. Then you have an LCD display. Real-time data shows the size and quality of dust particles, battery life, and mode which you have selected. Then you have two cleaning heads. High torque cleaner head automatically adjusts power across carpet and hardwood floors. Then you have a laser slim fluffy head, specially designed for hard floor to detect fine dust. It can run up to 16 minutes. It has got an advanced battery technology, ensures powerful, fade-free cleaning. The anti-tangle technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brush bar, making it ideal for pet owners. Then you have an advanced filtration which captures 99.99% of microscopic particles and an allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Now let's look at Dyson vacuum lineup and how does V15 compare. There are multiple products to choose from like V12 Detect Slim, a slightly smaller version of V15 with smaller laser detection but lower suction power. V11 Torque Drive is a previous version to V15 which featuring intelligent suction but lacking laser dust detection. Dyson Outsize, a larger version of V11 and V15 designed for bigger homes with wider cleaning head and larger dust bin. V10 Absolute, a powerful and lightweight but lacks real-time dust analysis and laser detection. Then you have the V8 and V7 which are budget-friendly cordless model with good performance but lower suction power and shortened battery life. Get started. To choose language, tap selection button. Scroll the language, long press selection button to confirm. Now you can look at different modes here. The first one here, which you see the yellow bar, is the allergens. The second orange is the microscopic dust. Then you have the dust mites, and last is your sugar. They're all measured in microns. These are different power modes. Recommended automatically customizes power and runtime. For the longer cleaning, you can maximize runtime by extending cleaning on eco mode. And if you need to go on the boost mode, that's the red. These are different menu options which you can choose from. Whichever options you want to select, you have to hold it for 3 seconds. This product is designed for powerful and intelligent cleaning, making it great fit for various cleaning needs. Here how you can use them. For hardwood floor and carpets, the laser slim fluffy head reveals microscopic dust on hard floors, while the high torque cleaner head adapts suction for deep carpet cleaning. Pet hair removal. Anti-tangle technology prevents pet hair from clogging the brush, making it perfect for pet owners. For furnitures and fabrics, the mini motorized tool effectively removes dirt, dust and hair from couches, chairs and mattresses. Ceiling and high areas. Lightweight design and long band help clean vents, ceiling fans and cobwebs with ease. Allergy and air quality improvements with HEPA filter captures 99.99% of microscopic dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns, improving indoor air quality. Ideal for allergy sufferers. Effectively removes pollen, dust mites, and pet dander from your home environment. You can very easily clean your car and vehicle cleaning. That portable cordless design make it easy to clean car interiors, including seats, dashboards, and under the seat. Kravik tool for tight spaces. Helps reach deep into car corners, cup holders, and between seats. You can use in office and workspace cleaning. It's very quiet and powerful, efficient cleaning for offices without excessive noise. It's cord free and flexibility, easy to maneuver around the furniture, cables, and workspaces. Spittle, snacks, or crumbs. Grab the V15 for a quick mess free cleanup. Kids' play areas keeps toys areas dust free without spreading allergens. So, why should we choose Dyson V15 Detect? Its smart laser technology ensures no dirt is left behind. Auto adaptive suction adjust power based on the dust level. Longer battery life, up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. So whether you are tackling daily mess, deep cleaning or maintaining allergen free air, the Dyson V15 Detect is a game changer in home cleaning. The fluffy optic cleaner head. Illumination makes invisible dust visible on hard floors, so you don't miss anything. Now let's look at the suction power at real time, how this vacuum performs with different food particles on the floor. With few passes, everything is gone. This is the popcorn. Let's see how it performs. I think it does a great job. So that was all about Dyson V15 Detect, the ultimate smart vacuum for deep cleaning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips and product reviews. If you got any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comment below. Until next time, stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching MG Factor.